Hi, my name is Erskine. I'm 23 years old. I'm a third year student at the University of South Africa studying international relations and diplomacy. I am also the founder of www.interns.zone, South Africa's first online student career office, and I'm also an intern at International Rivers. It is possible to suggest that I have two fundamental interests, the first being using unconventional methods to actualize sustainable development through phenomena such as impact investing, private sector led development, fair trade, and off grid renewable energy. Secondly, is my interest in disruptive technologies that obliterate barriers to information and opportunities. It is perhaps through these two core interests that I can claim that I am making a difference in the world. Firstly, through www.interns.zone, what we are doing is we are closing the gap between graduation and employment, which has been estimated to be 6 months or at least 2 years, by providing an online platform where prospective employers can get to meet prospective employees who are students from the 25 public universities in South Africa. Secondly, and this is through my work in International Rivers, we are increasing, me and the whole team, the sustainable development prospects of Africans by advocating for renewable energy sources other than the destructive large dams. My expectation in joining the Tshwane Hub are very simple. First, I hope to make a contribution in my very immediate community of Tshwane through the relevant programs that I will participate. Secondly, is enhance my leadership skills. Thank you.